On Friday, June 5th, 2020, one of the fulfillment centers in Redlands, California caught on fire. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can check to see whether or not you have had any inventory get lost in those damages. Let's go. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the family. If you guys don't know me, my name is Andy. I've been selling on the Amazon platform for a few years now. I left my 9-to-5 position just last year, and I've been scaling my business ever since. I'm currently a 7-figure seller, and I put out YouTube content just for the Prestige family twice a week. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Definitely consider subscribing if you're interested in anything Amazon FBA. If you guys do have a Facebook and you guys like being on Facebook, check out the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind group on Facebook. And if you guys do have an Instagram, check out @theofficialandylam, where I post daily content on Amazon FBA specific topics. And if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, definitely stay till the end of this video to figure out how you can be entered into winning that. But before I get into this video, I do want to thank the smartest seller on Instagram for letting me know about this tip and how to figure out, whether or not you've lost inventory. This is going to be a relatively quick video, and I just wanted to let you guys know up front of how you could be doing this and figuring out if you have lost any inventory in this fire. Now, for those of you guys that didn't know this, like myself, I don't usually check my daily inventory for the over 75 fulfillment centers across the USA. So this is one of the best ways, and probably the only way for you to be able to check this and see whether or not you've lost inventory. I know the smartest seller on Instagram lost about 50 units, and that's what he posted. I personally think I lost about just 1 unit. I guess most of my inventory isn't stored at this fulfillment center. But if you guys have inventory there, super sorry for your loss. I'm sure Amazon's going to figure out how to reimburse and get that money back to you guys somehow, or if insurance kicks in or something like that. But I'm going to post a screenshot right here, and this is basically how you're going to check that. So you're going to go to your reports, your fulfillment reports, and then on the left hand side you're going to go down to your daily inventory history, and from there you can set specific dates. So the fire was yesterday, well, at the time of me filming this video, it was yesterday, Friday, June 5th. So you're going to want to set the time frames to some day before June 5th, so that you can see what your inventory was before, and then some day before June 5th to see what your inventory was after. But basically, when you filter out the dates, you're just going to want to search for that fulfillment center, and this fulfillment center is ONT9. So what you can go ahead and do is push Control F so you can control find on the actual page, type in ONTF and see where the listings pop up for the certain products that you have at this fulfillment center, and you can go ahead and see what the difference is between the dates. So hopefully you guys will be able to find any losses or damages there. So this is primarily how I think is the best way to see whether or not you've lost inventory. You can also call into support. We all know how bad support is if you've been selling on the platform for a while. So hopefully this gives you guys an idea of the damages that you guys may have incurred, the inventory that you may have lost. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Yeah, super quick, but I wanted to be straight to the point and get you guys going. If that was a good tip and that helps you guys out, be sure to drop a like and share with anybody else that may be affected by this fire that you may think of. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop them down below. I'm happy to answer them the best as I can. Again, if you guys are interested in anything Amazon, definitely consider subscribing. I appreciate all the likes and comments that you guys give. It definitely helps with the YouTube algorithm and getting my videos out there for people that may find it useful. As always, if you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, definitely like this video, comment down below, #Prestige Amazon FBA, and subscribe to the channel. And just subscribe to the channel and show your love anyway. But as always, I appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group, Instagram, and cheat sheet down below. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.